greenhouse tour, July the 30th, 2026. The sweet peas are just hanging in there. They bloom every so often. We got a few seed pods. Most of what they're producing is a home for aphids. The eggplants are starting to bloom. Got some nice peppers off the peppers here this week. A couple small ones. The cherry tomatoes. Lots of cherry tomatoes for me. Here's some more peppers. Eggplants are blooming nicely. Nice peppers in there. Eggplants. This one's set fruit. That one's set fruit. You see? This one's got lots of blossoms. The cucumbers are doing great. We're past the 62 cucumbers count so far. Here's another nice one. The carrots were harvested back here. Here's the last crop of carrots. Got some nice lima beans that they need picked here soon. Small eggplant is not doing much. These are the hydrangeas that were made from cuttings last year. They're going to be repotted into some bigger pots here soon and everything. And that's it for this week, folks.